Welcome to this review and unboxing of the X24 acoustic foam. Now it comes in this packaging. It's compressed, sealed in a plastic wrapping to make it more compact so it could be shipped. Now when you take it out of this wrapping, it starts to slowly expand, and when it's fully expanded, you can then start to install it. There's two ways to let it expand, as you can see here, so you can follow it either way. Okay, so there is another layer of plastic that you have to remove to take the foam out, and it comes with these instructions right here, so you can follow either way to expand the foam to make it ready for installation. Okay, so I'm going to let this rest for about 48 hours, let it fully expand before I install it. Okay, so here's the foam post 48 hours. It's actually quite a few days past 48 hours. So this is what it looks like, fully inflated after being taken out of the packaging. So the foam is mounted. This is how it looks when mounted. I use the spray adhesive. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.